Hi, welcome to Quality Construction Internal Training. Topic for this video is concrete formwork construction. What is formwork? Formwork is a temporary additional structure or a mold construction done to keep the concrete or related materials in position until it sets. It should be capable of carrying all imposed dead and live loads, apart from its own weight. Characteristic of good formwork: strong enough to withstand dead and live loads. Capable of retaining its shape by being efficiently propped and braced horizontally and vertically. Designed constructed to prevent leakage of cement grout with sealed joints. Capable of being removed in various parts without damaging the concrete. Set accurately to the desired line. Suitable for reuse. As lightweight as possible. Major objectives considered in formwork: safety, cost, quality. Safety. Formworks must be built sufficient strength and factor of safety so that they have the capable of all supporting loads. Falsework must be adequately secured. Bracing must secured correctly. Placed on stable ground. Cost. The formwork design must consider the maximum number of times that any form can be reused. Produce a design that will minimize the time taken for erection and striking. Material should be cheap and reusable. Proper cutting of plywood and timber can also reduce the cost of shuttering. Quality, containment, strength, accuracy, easy of handling, access of concrete economy. Conventional formwork. Conventional formwork is made of wood. It should be well seasoned, lightweight, and easily workable with nail without splitting. Plywood is used extensively for formwork for concrete, especially for sheathing, decking and form linings. Steel formwork. Steel formwork has become more popular due to its strength, durability, and repetitive reuse for a long period. Steel shuttering offers a smooth surface finish to concrete, compared to conventional formwork. It can be used for circular or curved structures. This formwork is completely waterproof, or moisture-proof, and minimizes the honeycombing effect. Components of formwork. A tie is a tensile unit used to connect opposite sides of formwork. It serves as a balanced connection, or is used to resist the effective pressure of fresh concrete. Braces are used to keep the formwork upright by deterring form deflection under lateral pressure. Studs in the formwork are used to support sheathing panels and make a framework to keep them in position. Sheathing panel is used to keep the concrete in its required shape and position until it sets and hardens. Wales are horizontal propping members that are placed against sheathing to directly resist sheathing pressure. Battens are vertical members in the formwork which keep cleats and wales uptight and in position. Footing is the bottommost member which supports the entire formwork. Construction of concrete formwork. Design and planning. Material selection. Preparation of formwork components. Assembly of formwork. Reinforcement placement. Alignment and leveling. Bracing and support. Formwork inspection. Concrete pouring. Concrete curing. Formwork removal. Removal of formwork. The minimum period before the removal of formwork, for various types of structures is tabulated below. Vertical faces of beams, wall, columns, piles, foundation plinths and precast components, is 3 days. For slab, with props left under, is 7 days. Removal of props to slab, is 14 days. For beam soffits, with props left under, is 7 days. Removal of props to beams, is 14 days. Maintenance of formwork. To maintain the quality of formwork, the workers shall follow the procedure, such as clean inside surface of formworks with stiff brush, and clean water. Use scrapers, to get good concrete surface. Keep forms well oiled, to prevent delamination of plywood, or rusting of steel, and always oil the edges. Storage of any formwork with steel components, should be stored in the dry area. Avoid direct sunlight, on timber forms. Store clear of the ground without twist, or bend, and keep free of dirt. Causes of formwork failure. Improper stripping, and shore removal. Inadequate bracing. Vibration. Unstable soil under mudsills, shoring not plumb. Inadequate control of concrete placement. Lack of attention to formwork details. Precautions for preventing formwork failure. Formwork should always be designed by a qualified and competent person. Material used for the construction of formwork must fulfill the specification. Always follow all recommendations by the manufacturer of the formwork system. A qualified person must inspect the formwork to ensure it was properly installed and it complies with the approved design. Keep watch for signs of formwork strain or failure during concrete pouring. Never start removing any part of the formwork system before reaching the minimum concrete curing time. That's the end of the training video. Thank you for watching.